How to activate Hey Siri on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Click on the option Talk and Type to Siri. Now here you're gonna find this option Siri or Hey Siri or Off. Select the option of your choice. You will be prompted to spell out these words. Click on Continue. Now you have to speak these words loudly. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Likewise, Hey Siri, send a message. And other 3 sentences. Once you complete this process, you have just set up Siri in your device. Siri is ready. Click on Done. Now you can enable for these options. Press side button for Siri, likewise type to Siri. Now you can hit back. You are able to select the voice, likewise variations for your Siri. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily activate Hey Siri on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.